Hello everyone, this is Sean Chalaki, a Texas personal injury attorney. In the previous videos, I've discussed why you need a personal injury attorney. In this video in particular, I want to go over the personal injury process, but I'm going to break it down in two sections. Section 1, property damage. Section 2, bodily injury. Check out the next video for the bodily injury section. But in this section, we're going to discuss property damage. Property damage. You're involved in a collision. If it's with another person, that's the area that we're covering. If you were involved with a collision by yourself or you hit an object, or if it was a lightning, or if there was an act of God, those are not covered in this video. This video covers if you were involved in a collision with someone else. The other person hits your vehicle is no longer drivable. You're entitled to loss of use immediately. So you can go either through your own insurance policy, or you can go through the other person's insurance. The other person's insurance has the duty to investigate and can take up to 15 business days to investigate the case prior to accepting liability. So you can be left alone without a vehicle for that area of time, or you can get a rental and then you get reimbursed once the case is settled. Now, do remember, this is if your vehicle is not drivable. If your vehicle is drivable, then you have to take it into a body shop. They have to do an estimate. Once they do an estimate, they're going to schedule your time for you to drop off the vehicle. Once you drop off the vehicle, then you're entitled to get a rental vehicle until the vehicle is repaired. The vehicle could have multiple estimates. The initial estimate is what they observe visibly of the damages onto the car. But once the mechanic shop opens the vehicle, they may have additional what we call supplemental damages. They submit this back to the insurance company. The insurance company will send another adjuster to evaluate if needed, and they will cover it. If they don't cover it, then that's when they get into a dispute of why they're not covering those damages. For example, if it's something that is unrelated, they tell you that, hey, we're not going to cover it because the collision could not have caused that damage on your car. That is property damage through the other party. But you can also make claims under your own insurance. The only difference with your own insurance is that you're limited to the policy that you have purchased. What does that mean? If you don't have rental on your coverage, then you don't get to get a rental car. If you don't have enough money to cover your own vehicle, you only have a $25,000 policy limit, and your vehicle damages are more than $40,000, or your value of your car is more than $40,000, well, you didn't insure yourself enough. Therefore, your own insurance might not cover it. However, if you do have enough insurance, you might as well just use your own insurance policy, because your own insurance policy will go ahead and subrogate against the at fault at a later time and collect that money. That's, by the way, I said all of this. This is kind of legal. So I want you to understand that this is not attorney-client relationship, nor am I providing you legal advice. These are general information. In case-by-case basis, these informations do alter, so do not rely on this information solely. You still need to get a personal injury attorney to assist you with some of this, and that is why I always say get an attorney. Thank you so much for coming in. Watch the next video, and do go ahead and share, subscribe, and like our videos. Thank you.